What is slant height for cone volume calculations? Have you ever wondered how the slant height of a cone plays a role in understanding its shape and size? Let's break it down together. The slant height of a cone is the length measured along its curved surface from the tip, known as the apex, down to the edge of the circular base. It is important to note that this is not the same as the vertical height, which is the straight distance from the apex to the center of the base circle. To visualize this, picture a right circular cone standing upright. The vertical height, often referred to as the altitude, is the perpendicular distance from the apex directly down to the center of the base. In contrast, the slant height runs diagonally along the cone's side, forming the hypotenuse of a right triangle. Now let's connect the dots between the radius of the base, the vertical height, and the slant height. This relationship can be described using the Pythagorean theorem, which states that the square of the slant height equals the sum of the squares of the radius and the vertical height. In simple terms, if you know the radius and the height, you can easily find the slant height using the formula. Slant height equals the square root of the radius squared plus the height squared. While the slant height itself does not directly factor into the volume calculation of a cone, it is essential for determining the surface area. The volume of a cone is calculated using the formula 1/3 times pi times the radius squared times the height. However, the slant height comes into play when calculating the curved surface area of the cone. The formula for the curved surface area is pi times the radius times the slant height. Additionally, if you want to find the total surface area of the cone, you would add the area of the base, which is pi times the radius squared, to the curved surface area. In essence, the slant height serves as a key measurement that connects the radius and height of the cone, forming that diagonal side length along its surface. It is vital for surface area calculations, helping to give a complete picture of the cone's dimensions. Understanding the slant height can make it easier to grasp how cones are measured and analyzed in the world of geometry.